Hi everyone. So in this video, I am going to discuss all the tasks which I am able to perform today. So starting with the route modification. So yesterday, what I am doing, we are just entering a certain date here to fetch all the projects created on that date, and we are using a get method yesterday. So now I have modified my route to post, so we can enter some data in the body instead of the endpoint itself, and we can choose a start date like let me choose 29th of April to 8th of May 2025. So if I hit the send button, it will return us all the projects created from midnight of uh, 29 to midnight of 8th of May. So it will be the starting like at 12:01 a.m. of 29th when the day starts to the end of 8th May. And now I'm going to hit the send button and it will be sorted in the decreasing order like the newest create project will be on the first and then we can go on. So we can see that the latest project created is on 6th of May because today is 6th of May and we are firstly fetching all the projects created on today's date and then we can see we will get the projects created on the subsequent dates. So here we got the project created on the 5th and if we go down then we will get projects in the sorted order for other dates as well. So let us take a look at this project. So yeah, we got this project created on 1st of May. So we can see that the projects which we got in the result is sorted. And also in the similar way, I have updated my another route also. It is fetching now by member. And now we can enter member name here and then hit the enter button to get our result. It will be member name and I can choose any user or any member of our team. Like now I'm choosing Varsha here. I'm going to hit send button. So by this, we will get all the projects created by Varsha in the sorted order. And if I try to fetch projects created by any other user, so let me fetch projects created by Sathi Raju. Let me first verify the name in our JNQE platform. If it is Sathi Raju, okay. Now let's go to the postman. And now I'm going to hit the send button. So yes, we can see that it is created by Sathi Raju and next project is also created by him. So both the endpoints is working fine using post. And let me just move back to the previous data and change it to date range. So now what I am doing in my code, I am just instead of using a specific date, I have modified my models to accept a range of date. We can see that here I am receiving date range request, which will have start date and end date, and that's how I am importing it in my routes. So date range request, I am using it here in my route, and using it, I am performing these operations, and also doing the same for the other one, like receiving is as a member request with member name as string and then using it. So, and also the format needs to be like this. If we pass date in any other format, so it will not work. If I try to pass it in different way, then I have like handled it properly. So it is invalid date format, and we also got 400 as a request code. And then I'm going to change and also handled properly if we enter start date as today's date or anything above today's date, it will return us an error. So start date must be before today's date. And if I try to change this to 1 day back, it will work fine. Yes. So that's how I am handling everything here. And also, as per the guidance, I have also structured my project in different directories. So like database here and models folder, everything, every model is here. Also routes, project routes are here. Every route related to project will be in this file. And if we have any other like collection which we need to write routes for, there will be another different file for the routes of that file. And here, what I am doing, I'm simply uh, using Fast API and then importing routes from uh, this project route file because I am here using router here. So I am importing it as projects router because I want to use this name in my file. So I am including this router in our app and then using prefix as projects and also tags as projects. So that's how everything is working here. And we can finally see that and everything is working fine. And if I want to include today's date also, like if I want that it will return me something if I enter today's date, so I will simply go to my routes and change this condition. And if I update this and try to run this again, then I think it will work fine. Yes, so we can see the start date is today's date. So, and we got everything okay. So I'm gonna keep this as it is before. So now it will not work and ask us to choose any date before today's date. So that's how I'm performing all these operations using my API. Thank you so much.